Ready to make your video editing workflow smoother and more connected? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import and export videos between OneDrive and Clipchamp seamlessly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull in your media from OneDrive, edit with ease in Clipchamp, and save your finished videos right back to the cloud, making collaboration and file management a breeze. Let's jump right in. First up, importing videos from OneDrive. Go ahead and open Clipchamp. You can either start a brand new project or jump into an existing one. If you're a little unsure where to find your current projects, just look for them on the home screen after logging in. Once your project is open, look over to the left side of the screen and find the toolbar. Click on the Your Media tab. That's where all the magic happens when it comes to adding content. Now, instead of clicking Import Media right away, hover over the small arrow next to it. A drop-down menu will appear in here, where you'll see OneDrive as an option. Clicking on OneDrive lets Clipchamp know you want to bring files straight from the cloud, not your computer. If this is your first time connecting OneDrive to Clipchamp, you'll probably get a prompt asking permission to access your files. Don't worry, this is normal and secure. Click Authorize or Continue, and then sign in with your Microsoft account if needed. This one-time step ensures Clipchamp can grab your videos or photos directly from your OneDrive folders. Now comes the fun part, browsing. Take your time to look through your OneDrive directories. Maybe you keep your projects organized in different folders or perhaps everything in one place. Find the videos or images you want to use in your Clipchamp project. Select them and hit the Select button. Clipchamp will take a moment to pull those files into your project's media library. If you're uploading larger videos, this could take a few moments, especially if your internet speed is on the slower side. Just give it time, you'll see everything appear once it's ready. Now, after editing your masterpiece, let's cover how to export your video straight back to OneDrive. When you're done with your video and happy with every cut and transition, head to the top right corner and smash that Export button. Here, you'll pick your video resolution. 1080p HD is a great choice for most uses, striking a perfect balance between quality and file size. As the export process begins, keep an eye out for the Share Your Video section that pops up. Here, look specifically for the Save to OneDrive option, which is usually displayed with the familiar blue OneDrive cloud icon. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter a file name and choose the specific OneDrive folder where you want to save your video. This is handy if you organize projects for work, school, or sharing with friends and family. Click Send and Clipchamp will upload your video directly to the folder you chose. This part may take a bit, especially with longer videos, so don't worry if the upload progress bar lingers for a moment. Once your upload finishes, Clipchamp provides a link to your new file right in OneDrive, making it super easy to share or back up your finished project. And that's it. With these steps, you've unlocked a streamlined way to manage your video files using Clipchamp and OneDrive together. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, drop your questions or experiences in the comments below, and subscribe for more handy how-tos. Thanks for watching and happy editing.